Hello everyone, welcome back. New brand video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix this app is currently not available in your country or region. If you want to install any one app but face this type of error, so how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting, and from here you scroll down and click on Journal. Scroll down and click on Date and Time, and from here you make sure that turn on this toggle set automatically. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it, turn on this toggle, and after that go back and scroll down and click on VPN and device management, and from here you make sure that if you connect any one VPN, then disconnect, and after that go back your home screen and open again iPhone and iPad setting, then click on Apple ID banner name, scroll down and click on media and purchase, and click on view account, then click on country or region, then click on change country or region and select any one country like United States. Terms and condition, read carefully, then click on agree, and from here you as can see payment method, select your payment method and put this form, select your street name and select your city and select your state. I'm select California, and after that put this California zip code and put your phone number, and after that click on next. After change your country or region, I hope your problem will be fixed. If this is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.